Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Good news guys. Samsung has officially started rolling out the stable One UI 8.5 update for two more Galaxy smartphones. The Galaxy A34 is now receiving the update in India and several European countries, while the Galaxy M34 has started getting the stable One UI 8.5 update in India. Let's start with Galaxy A34. The latest One UI 8.5 update comes with firmware version ends with FZ6. The update size is around 2814 MB and it includes the May 2026 Android security patch. For Galaxy M34 users, the stable update arrives with firmware version ends with FZE6. The download size is around 2793 MB and it also includes the May 2026 security patch. If you own any of these devices, you can check for the update manually by opening settings, then software update and tapping download and install. Now let's talk about the major features included in One UI 8.5. Samsung has added a refreshed user interface with smoother animations across the system. Opening and closing apps feels faster, multitasking is more fluid, and overall navigation looks cleaner. The quick panel has received some visual improvements, making important controls easier to access. Users can move widgets from one area to other, change their sizes, and also add or remove them. Further, it has added blur effects to the One UI, which looks stunning and elegant. Further, app icons have changed, and you will notice changed UI in native apps. Samsung has also improved battery optimization. Background app management is better, which can help improve battery life during daily usage. The camera app gets several refinements. Camera controls are easier to reach, and Samsung has improved overall stability while taking photos and videos. The Gallery app now offers better editing tools and a cleaner layout. Searching for photos is also faster than before. Now let's discuss what is missing. Some of the new Galaxy AI features available on flagship devices like the Galaxy S26 series are not included on the Galaxy A34 and Galaxy M34. Advanced AI powered editing tools like Creative Studio, Apple AirDrop, Photo Assist, and call screening functions are missing on these devices. Users will also not get some high end camera features that require more powerful hardware. However, most of the core One UI 8.5 improvements are available on both devices, including smoother animations and Android 16 features. Overall, this is a solid update for Galaxy A34 and Galaxy M34 users. It brings a more polished experience, improved stability, better performance, and the latest software features from Samsung. Have you received the One UI 8.5 stable update on your Galaxy A34 or Galaxy M34? Let us know your experience in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Samsung updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.